Hey there, everyone. Today, we're talking about how to retrofit of an automatic transfer switch. The main objective is the transition from the RSW6-100 model to the risen ATS model HCQ2-63A, while ensuring seamless integration with the solar inverter system. Automatic transfer switch functionality. The ATS continuously monitors the utility power supply. If a failure is detected, voltage drop or outage, it automatically switches to an alternative power source, e.g., solar inverter. The switching mechanism upon detecting a power failure. The ATS disconnects the utility supply and connects to the backup power source, solar inverter. Once utility power is restored, it switches back automatically. Integration of power sources from battery to circuit breaker. DC and the supply DC power stored from solar energy. Thus, DC power is routed to a circuit breaker to ensure safety. The DC toroidal solar inverter converts DC from the batteries to AC. This AC power is suitable for household appliances. The AC output from the circuit breaker is connected to the ATS. The ATS automatic transfer switch has two inputs and output load, utility power input, inverter power input, and distribution load output. The ATS automatic transfer switch will prioritize power from the utility. If both sources fail, it will keep the load disconnected until power is restored. Operational scenario: during power failure, under normal condition, allows power from the utility to supply the load. In the event of utility power failure, it disconnects the load from the utility supply. ATS automatic transfer switch switches to the inverter supply, routing power from the solar inverter to the load. Solar inverter failure: if both utility and inverter fail, the ATS disconnects the load until one of the power sources is restored. Retrofitting steps will be carried out, such as removing existing RSW6-100, disconnect and safely removing the old transfer switch. Installed risen ATS HCQ2-63A and connect the utility source to the utility input, connect the inverter output to the ATS inverter input, and ensure proper grounding and electrical codes. After completion of work, carry out testing to ensure that the ATS switches seamlessly between power sources and that all connections are functioning correctly. Simulated switch off both utility input and inverter input, and it shows ATS automatic transfer switch is working correctly. The ATS circuit breaking is gradually rotated once power outage of both utility input power source and inverter power input source. This retrofitting process enhances your smart home system by integrating the risen ATS, ensuring reliable power management and seamless switching between utility and solar power during outages. Thanks and be safe. Proprietor/manager Rafael Canet at Cebu, Woodward, Eng'g. Rewinding shop, specialize in marine electrical work. I offer comprehensive services in repairing and rewinding AC/DC generators, electric motors, and reconditioning equipment.